What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Lpt Livepeer, which has pumped up 42% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $5.85. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Or should you sell it and take out your profits? Or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Livepeer go? And is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down 0.2% in the last 24 hours, nothing major, and we do have LPT as the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase and according to Binance as well. So in the last hour, it has taken quite of a drop, 4% down, but again, it may seem like a lot, but because it's pumped up so much, it's fair enough. As you can see, 42% up. Earlier on the day, it was over 50%, 60% even earlier this morning, hitting $6.20, dropped a little bit, peaked back up, right now dropping again. Over the week, 45%, and over the month, 33%. So it has been quite volatile, but it has managed to stay on the positive side, which is all that matters. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 2,500%, making it $225 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Livepeer, and a huge percentage increase as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it, as it is one of the top gainers, meaning more and more people will start to buy it, sell it, and in general just trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this and I'm going to get out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Livepeer, which is here in purple at $4.24. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at $5.88, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours from Livepeer, but I'm not expecting any major drops. Essentially, let's say in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Livepeer to be more or less trading around the $5.30 to $5.50 target, somewhere in between here. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher as well over the coming hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value in the early hours of tomorrow to just over the $5 mark. So these are my takes over the next couple of hours. Let's move on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have the blue line looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Livepeer over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, end of this week, early next week, I am expecting an overall fluctuation in value from Livepeer, potentially trading around $5.50 to $6 is where I'm expecting Livepeer to be trading at towards the end of the week. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently staying at this price range. Of course not. It's likely to drop further down to about below $5, down to about $4.50, or even higher up to about $6.50. before it starts to maintain its value towards the end of the week. So as I mentioned, trading around $5.50 is what I'm expecting from Livepeer. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we're looking very bullish, guys, very steep, both the blue and the orange line, which only means one thing. Yes, guys, it's not realistic. It's only looking very steep because of the major increase that's taken place over the last 24 to 48 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to, go up like crazy, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, even though over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late September, early October 2023, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Livepeer, potentially heading up to the $10 mark is what I'm expecting. Again, $10 may seem like a crazy increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we manage to give it approximately 2 months time, guys, we should be able to hit the $10 mark depending on how the crypto market performs, and I am expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the positive direction for the rest of the year. So potentially hitting $10 late September, October time is what my predictions are. However, guys, I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be trading around $35,000 at that time. So if that does happen, then LPT will also be trading around the $10 mark. However, it is cryptocurrency, it could go either way. Any little news out there can have a major impact on any cryptocurrencies, and that is why I keep you guys updated on a daily basis on what to expect, what to predict from the crypto market. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Livepeer over the short term and the long term as well. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And as you guys can see, we've got nowhere near as close to hitting the green zone anytime soon. We are literally trading at $5.89, and we need to hit about $26.30 for us to head into the green zone, which I'm not expecting from Livepeer at least for the next 12 to 18 months. So yeah, more or less for the rest of the year and next year is very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly start to move in a positive direction, at a slow and steady pace, we should be good to go. But yeah, red zone it is for now. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting Livepeer to go in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.